Do you ever feel like your English is correct? However, something still feels awkward. You pause too much, you second guess yourself, and in conversations just doesn't flow. You're not alone. I'm Eric, and I want to help you sound clear, natural, and confident in English. Let's be honest. Awkward English is not about grammar. Most of the time, your grammar is fine. The real problem is how it sounds. If it feels slow, if it feels forced, if it feels unnatural. Here's what's really happening in your head. You're thinking in your native language first. Then you translate into English. Then you check the grammar. Then you speak. That entire process takes too long. And because of that, your English loses rhythm. It doesn't flow naturally. It feels like you're building sentences instead of having a conversation. There's another reason your English feels awkward. You're trying to sound perfect. You're choosing longer words, more complex sentences, and that creates pressure. Real English is different. It's not perfect. It's simple, fast, and sometimes it's a little messy. People interrupt. They change sentences. They correct themselves. That's normal. So here's the shift. Stop building perfect sentences. Start expressing simple ideas. Instead of thinking, how do I say this perfectly? Think, how do I say this clearly? Here's how to fix it. First, shorten everything. Use fewer words, say more with less. Second, stop translating. Train yourself to think directly in English, even if it's basic. Third, focus on speed over perfection. It's okay to make small mistakes. It's not okay to freeze. Instead of saying, I was thinking that maybe we could possibly discuss this later, just say, let's talk about this later. This is short, clear, natural. Awkward English comes from overthinking. Natural English comes from simplicity. So if your English feels awkward, don't try to sound smarter. Try to sound clear. I'm Eric. Keep on keeping on. I'll see you in the next one.